Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change phone number on Coinbase. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your phone number on Coinbase, you'll need to first navigate to the Coinbase account recovery page. To do that, if you're already logged into your Coinbase account, make sure that you log out of it. To log out, go to the hamburger menu at the upper left-hand corner from your main home page of Coinbase and tap Sign Out at the bottom. Confirm signing out by tapping on Sign Out one more time and you'll end up in this page. Tap the Sign In button at the upper right-hand corner and sign into your account by entering your credentials, that is your email and your password. Now, when it asks for your two-factor authentication, tap on I Need Help button at the bottom. In the pop-up displayed at the bottom, choose I need to update my phone number. Now, enter your credentials one more time into the text boxes and click Sign In. In order to change your phone number, you'll need to update your information first. Select what did you lose access to. In this case, it's phone number, so let's tap on phone number at the bottom. Enter your current phone number into the text box appearing on the screen, right where it says current phone number. And now, choose the country from the drop-down that you reside in. Enter your new phone number on the last text box that you're trying to change to and tap Continue at the bottom right. You need to enter the verification code that has been texted on your new phone number you're trying to change to. Simply type in the verification code and tap Continue. Once you do that, you'll need to select your ID type. This is done in order to verify your identity. You can go ahead and upload your passport, your driver's license, or your national ID card. Choose one of the options that is available to you and upload images as it asks you on the display. Capture the front part of your ID or any other option you've selected and capture the back part as well. After you do that, tap Continue. Soon after you confirm your identity, you'll be able to change your phone number for Coinbase. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.